The first one we're going to talk about is Dogecoin, and this is the original meme coin launched in 2013, guys. As a joke, now a top 10 crypto asset by market cap. It also has a lot of strong endorsements out there as well, okay, that frequently promoted by Elon Musk and integrated in X, which is formerly Twitter, in that ecosystem, okay? It also has a massive community, which is really cool. One of the largest and most loyal followings in crypto. That's right, so Dogecoin is huge right now, guys. So what is Dogecoin? You can find out right here. You can get started, check all that out. Now, it also has amazing payment use cases which are accepted by Tesla for merch, growing real world usage right now. Very cool stuff. So why is it still number one? Well, Dogecoin continues to be the gateway for meme coin investors, which is really cool. So guys, check out Dogecoin. I think it's great. I've been learning a lot about it myself, and as I do these videos, I'm learning more and more, and I'm really excited. And yeah, so Dogecoin is very, very cool. One of the best in 2025. Now we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, okay?